Everyone, welcome to the first lecture of network theory, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the syllabus of the network theory. If you are preparing for any kind of competitive exams like engineering services or GATE, so these tutorials will be very much helpful to you if you are preparing for these kind of examinations, or like semester exams, or like any kind of PSU exams. Okay, so first of all we will start from very basic. Okay, so initially we will learn about what is charge, then we will learn about what is current, voltage, power, energy. After that we will learn about what is network and circuit, difference between these two terms. Okay. After that we will learn about like what is loop, then node, then we have branches. Okay. Then we will learn about source transformation. Okay. Then we will learn about star delta transformation, Y delta transformation. Okay. After that we will learn about like what is Ohm's law. After that we will learn about theorems. So in theorems we will learn about like linearity or superposition, Millman's theorem. Okay. After that we will learn about like reciprocity theorem. Then what is Thevenin theorem, Norton's maximum power transfer in detail. Okay. Uh, After that about the transients. Okay, for the transient part. Okay, for the transient part we will learn first about inductors. Okay, and capacitors, how do they work. Behavior of like voltage phasors, voltage and current phasor for both. Okay, for both volt inductor and capacitor. Okay, so we will learn about it in detail. After that we will learn about like first order RL circuit, first order RL and RC circuits. Okay, so in this we will learn in detail about like your source free response. Okay, and step response. Okay, after that we have like after that we will learn about second order. Okay, second order RLC circuits. Okay, like source free RLC circuit, source free. In this case also we will learn about source free RLC circuits in series or parallel. Okay, in series or parallel. Here source free. Okay, so the fourth topic, which is the steady state analysis. Okay, so we will learn about sinusoids. Then we will learn about phasors. Okay, then phasor relationships of various circuit elements. Like RL circuit, RC circuit, RLC, series parallel. Okay. After that we will learn about Kirchhoff's laws on these in frequency domain. Okay. Then we will learn about impedance combinations and various kinds of phasor diagrams. Okay, phasors diagrams. So these kind of things we will learn in case of steady state analysis. Okay, after that in AC power analysis. Okay, AC power analysis, we will learn about what is instantaneous power, what is average power, okay, effective value of, that is the effective value of current and voltage, I and V, okay, what is apparent power and complex power, average value of periodic waveforms, various kinds of periodic waveforms, okay. So the two ports we will learn about, what is impedance parameter, admittance parameter, hybrid parameter, which is also known as H parameter, inverse hybrid parameter, transmission parameter, or you can say that transmission line ABCD parameters and inverse ABCD parameters, interrelationship between the network, various kinds of network parameters, and Barrett's bisection theorem. We will also learn about Barrett's bisection theorem, okay. Then we will learn about open circuit and short circuit impedance. Open circuit and short circuit impedances. In magnetically coupled circuits, we will learn about what is self inductance, what is mutual inductance, then what is ideal transformer, how does it work, okay. Then in the graph theory, we will learn about network graph, then we will learn about what is tree, co-tree, incident matrix, then what is die-set matrix, quad-set matrix, okay, and duality, okay. In the filters, we will learn about like what is high pass filter, band pass filter, low pass filter, band elimination filter, all pass filter. So these kind of filters we will learn, and we will also draw the transfer function of each filter, okay.